Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add the 50 OMA on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 software and choose your currency. For me, I'll choose the Euro USD. And after that, go to Insert, Indicators, then Trends, and click on Moving Average. And go to parameters, period, and type 50. And here in method, make sure you are in exponential because most likely you will find it here on simple. So choose exponential. Here you can change the color if you want. So let's say this one. And here you can change the thickness of the line. So let's say this one. Click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 50 MA. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.